Yes? I just found a piece of pizza in the trash. What's up with that?
What is up, guys? And welcome back to the Alright, guys, so today we're going to be doing a girl versus boy who can make the slime faster video.
The boy can. I'm a real boy.
Can.
I'm just a little boy, but you lost me. Scaramouche, scaramouche, very, very frightening. Something, lightning. Galala. I think I like sing that.
You're really right. Nobody does love you.
Brought that backwards or I don't know.
So basically we're gonna be having like 3 rounds of slime making. So we're gonna have like fluffy, jiggly, and something else. I don't know, maybe butter. And we're gonna see who can do the fastest. We're not gonna have a timer or anything. We're just gonna see who can do it the fastest.
I'm gonna win. Okay, comment right now. But right now, comment Charlie before. Or no. Comment right now. Charlie is gonna win if you think I'm gonna win.
You guys comment down below hashtag girl power if you think I'm gonna win. Yeah.
I would poop on that. And
today's like button shot is gonna be trying to put the like button with your nose, yes. And let's get straight on into the video, yo. This is Paul. That's what I want to do to him. Okay, so the first round we are gonna make some fluffy slime, yeah. So this is just gonna be basic fluffy slime, no glitter, no whatever. I mean, I guess you could put that if you want, but we're just, no, we're just gonna do basic fluffy slime. If you guys want us to do a more complicated one where we try girl versus boy Instagram remaking slime, remaking Instagram slimes, anyways like that. Make sure you comment that down below, and yeah.
So do we start now?
Wait 1 second. Yes, now we can start.
Did we really eat 4 pizzas all by ourselves?
That wasn't 4, that was...
I mean, it was 4.
2.
Hey Paul, can you see me wink?
Here we have everything. We got the glue, the shaving cream, the paint, and the
Ready, set, go!
Go!
Okay. Wait. I want some of this one right here.
Okay, make it red.
Red, what a loser. Okay, mix that mother real good. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? This is what I like to call fluffy slime.
I'm gonna do it, guys. I'm doing it.
Wait, that's not fair. How do you do this?
I'm doing it.
Where's the activators?
I'm doing it. I'm doing it, guys. I'm gonna make my slime. I'm gonna win.
No, you're not.
Hashtag girl power.
No, you're not.
Done.
That's not fair. That's not fair. Her shaving cream's newer than mine.
Why do you need so slow?
Because I'm not in a rush anymore.
Oh, okay. That's what 350 videos of making slime does to you.
Are you proud of your talent?
That's right. Okay, well, let's just do some ASMR on my slime so it's nice and red. I wanted it to be pink, but I guess I put too much, you know. But I still like the color. I think it's pretty good. It's nice and fluffy. Hashtag girl power. It's not even overactivated. Like, oh, whoa, Ameerah, how did you do that?
Yeah, I overactivated mine. Mine's not overactivated. Mine is just really strong.
Yeah, that's men's slime.
This is a man slime. This is slime made for a man. What'd I tell you? Let's see yours.
I'm a little girl.
And mine's like, try and break me, sucker.
But you didn't break mine.
Yeah, Ameerah, stop it, please.
Okay, well, I'm done. I think it's pretty clear who won.
Yeah, me.
Okay, you guys comment down below who you thought won. Hashtag girl power. And hashtag
power.
Okay, well, we'll just clean up, guys, and we'll get on to the next round.
I get a head start for cleaning my bowl first. Yes, I do.
You were cleaning it while I was doing the ASMR.
No, that's not true. I was kneading my slime while you're doing your slime.
Okay, well, I don't care. Next time we're gonna do, guys, is jiggly. Okay, so
I get 5 second head start.
Wait, let's put the paint back. Where's the cover for this?
No, I don't know where it is.
Go find it.
Yeah, you know.
Go find it, Charlie.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Sheesh. Charlie, we have
is this pizza?
We have a bunch of pizzas in there.
I found it. Yes. I just found a piece of pizza in the trash. What's up with that?
Just ate bread and mozzarella sauce. Mozzarella.
It's
marinara sauce.
Marinara sauce.
Okay, the next we're gonna do, guys, is jiggly. So, you ready, Charlie? Yeah. You ready?
No, I like
I'm ready.
No, I like jiggly.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
No, I get 5 seconds.
No, you don't.
Paul said.
Wipe the pizza crust off your face.
All right, ready, set, go.
Okay. Really, Charlie? Are you
What?
kidding me?
What?
You really put the Bergs on your side.
Oh, sorry, I didn't notice.
They're both doing a great job. Charlie is not in the lead anymore still. Never was.
Shut up, Paul. Get out of here.
I can do it. I can do it. I can do it.
I can do it.
I can do it.
I can. Oh!
I'm done.
No! No, you're not. Let me see
Dad.
it. I'm done a little bit.
Well, are you done yet?
Yeah, I've been done. I'm just still squishing
Okay,
it.
well, let's do some more. I go first. Okay, here you go. Okay, guys, here is my slime. I think it's actually pretty good. I like the color, and it's actually like glossy. It is a tad bit overactivated, but with a little bit of water, we can just fix that right up, you know?
No, I don't know.
Well, I mean, you did lose, so I guess that makes sense. So, yeah, I guess you can go, Charlie. Hashtag girl power, guys.
Hashtag manpower.
Jesus, Charlie.
That's mine right there.
Whoa, his is actually really nice, guys. Looks like trash. Oh, okay. Got into the box. Oh, whoa, that's so crazy. You're not gonna squish it in? Okay, make sure you guys comment down below. Hashtag girl power. Yes. You okay, Charlie?
Where's my slime? No, but seriously, where's my slime?
Different parts of the Slimeatory. There's some in that box over there, and then inside the light.
Nice.
Nice.
Okay, we got everything all cleaned up. Now we're gonna go ahead and do butter slime. So, you ready, Charlie?
Yeah.
Well, I'm not. Okay. We
Hands
gotta get
on the
everything.
table.
We gotta get everything.
Everything is ready.
Perfect.
Hands on the table.
Here's the paint, guys.
Hands on the table. Everything is ready. I'm
Okay,
completely
where's
ready.
the act- So then we got
The
the
bowl's dirty, Charlie.
No, it's not.
Daiso clay. You ready?
Yeah.
Final round, guys. Final round. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay.
Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, okay, okay. Where's my fork? Where's my...
I don't know. Jeepers creepers.
Where's this activator stuff?
This is gonna be kind of hard, guys, because if you overactivate the slime a little bit, your butter slime's not gonna be good. Okay, almost dead. Almost dead. Almost dead.
Oh gosh. I think I need more activator. I think I won, guys.
No.
I think I won by
No.
a long shot. No, there's still a lot.
This is getting really close.
Wait. My Daiso clay is old. This one doesn't.
It's okay. It's okay. Sometimes there's dry parts like that. Okay, and
Well, I'm pretty much done.
I'm done.
Yeah, well, I think I finished much quicker than you.
Whoa. Did you say you're done?
No.
Well, then you're not done.
Well, that's not fair. You guys saw I finished way before her.
No, you didn't. Okay, well, I'm done. I think I could do some ASMR now.
I want to do mine.
Girl power with the saying stuff faster, too.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's my slime. It's real nice. It's even like the color of butter. Very yellow butter.
Oh yeah, well, girls go to college, you get more knowledge. Boys go to Jupiter to... Wait.
Charlie.
Wait, I said that wrong. Hold on, give me a retry. Can I have a retry?
Yeah.
Boys go to college to get more knowledge. Girls go to Jupiter to get more stupider.
More stupider.
More stupider.
More stupider. Okay.
Mostest.
Guys, my butter slime is actually really, really nice. It's thick though, because there's no lotion, by the way, okay? Just saying. Charlie! Stop it! Stop, Charlie! That's not fair! You know, I'm gonna put some lotion in mine.
Wait, no, you're not even supposed to know I did that.
Guys, look at how nice this is. Like, look at how smooth. Okay, well, you can show it. You can see Charlie's now. Hashtag girl power!
Oh yeah, well look at this.
Oh, you overactivated that, didn't you?
Can you not touch mine? It doesn't do well to female.
Okay, well that is it, guys. You guys make sure to comment down below hashtag girl power and who you thought won the whole game. I think I won. I won.
Wait. I have a really quick tip for you guys. If you need shaving cream but your parents won't let you get some, hide it in some slime.
Yeah, so you need the shaving cream for the slime?
No, to shave.
Anyways, make sure you press the like button, subscribe, and that is it, guys. Thank you so much, and I really